Walton Learning. Vocabulary Workshop. Orange. Unit 15. The work of a therapy dog. People often confuse therapy dogs with service dogs. Both kinds of dogs help people, but their work is very different. Service dogs assist people with daily tasks. They often work with blind people and people with disabilities. Therapy dogs do not help with tasks. Instead, they visit schools, hospitals, and nursing homes. They can brighten an ordinary or drab day. More than 50,000 therapy dogs work in the United States. Research proves that there is merit in pet therapy programs. For example, therapy dogs help children communicate. Children with trouble speaking may babble to therapy dogs first. Then they can become more social with other children. Any dog can be a therapy dog, however, not all dogs will qualify. Therapy dogs do not have to be agile, but they do need some important personality traits. First, therapy dogs must have a genuine desire to be around people. Second, they must adopt characteristics like patience and calmness. With these qualities and the help of their handlers, these dogs enhance people's lives.